The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, north central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Washington County in northwestern New Jersey. At 6:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown, Dover, Hopatcong, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Hackettstown, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, and Morris Plains. This includes the following highways: Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 52. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 17. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 47. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services. Information from the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.